Okay, I finally got my hand on a 1x30-inch grinder. Oh my lord, I just couldn't find any grinder in Europe. I just couldn't find. I checked all the places I knew about, but I couldn't find one. So I had to order one on eBay. Now I just gonna have to get a converter from 210 American and Japanese contact to a Swedish 230 contact, but that's no problem. I'm gonna order one tonight. I'll probably get it on Friday, so that's no problem. I'm just happy about at least getting my hand on one of these. I've looked for a long time, so it wasn't too expensive either, so I'm pretty happy. Yeah, got my hand on some belts as well, so I stocked up pretty well. Yeah.